Okay, now I will explain the type of solid waste that generated in Shah Alam. Type of solid waste is come from various of sources. For the first one is residential. Type of solid waste that generated from residential sources is food waste and rubbish. Okay, the second sources is commercial. Type of solid waste that generated that come from commercial sources is construction waste and hazardous waste. And the third sources is open area, such as beach, recreation park, and the type of solid that generated is special waste. And the fourth source is plant treatment site. And type of solid waste generated is plant site waste.
How these wastes are handled? First one is handling. There are two major parts of this handling. The first one is domestic. The resident is responsible for collecting and placing the loaded larger storage container at the curb. They are also responsible for bag and place the waste. The second one is waste collection agency. They are also responsible for collecting the waste. The second one is commercial and industry. Usually, the waste is collected in large container. Secondly, use large storage container. The third one is compactor. Compactor is used with conjunction with storage container. The last one is incineration. Continue on how these wastes are handled, which is storage. There are two types of container that is used for storage the waste. The first one is whole container system, which we can call it HCS. The example is the tilt frame. The second one is truck tractor. The second type is stationary container system. There are compactor, mechanically loaded, and also manually loaded. Finally, on how these wastes are handled, which is processing. The first one is manual sorting. The second one is compaction of waste. And the third one is incineration.
Number 3, the transfer and transport of waste. The waste for industry, residential, and the waste for commercial. These wastes are collected into the garbage can and the garbage in the can are collected by the lorry. The lorry usually comes 2 times per week. Usually, the lorry use house-to-house collection. The lorry will be transfer the garbage into the transfer station. The transfer station are transit waste collection. In the transfer station, there is compactor. The function of compactor is to reduce the volume of the waste. This is the compact waste, and the compact waste will be continued transferred by the lorry to the landfill. Landfill is the ultimate disposal.
Now the processing techniques that used in solid waste management. First technique is mechanical volume reduction. This technique is important in solid waste management factor. In this technique, vehicle is equipped with compaction mechanism that are used to collect most of municipal waste. To increase the useful life of landfill, waste are compacted. The second technique is thermal volume reduction. The volume of municipal waste can be reduced by more than 90% by incineration. And the top processing technique is manual component separation. The manual separation of solid component can be done where the solid waste is generated, just as at transfer station.